Hello. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Forms, which is a bit like SurveyMonkey and those sort of things, and they're a really good way of making quizzes for students that are automatically marked by the computer. So you'll find it on your home page, so if you haven't got that, go to your waffle in the corner and you'll find Microsoft Forms here. I'm going to click on it there and I'll take me to this page. So I have all my forms already created, so I'll show you how to do a new one. Go to new quiz, type what it's called. So I'm going to do one about Jean Grey, my superhero book. You can add a picture if you want to there. Oh, Jean Grey, that's a whole different person. Jean Grey, search, that'll do. Add, just add a picture to my quiz. Now I'm going to add a question. So you have many choices. You have a multiple choice one, a text box one, a rating, a date one. I'm not really sure how that works. You can rank order answers, or you can use whatever that is, which I don't know, to be honest. So I'm going to use a multiple choice. So here we go. I'm going to write my first question, just put in that box. Who was Jean's dad? Very simple. Then I can add a picture again if I want to. Let's go there. Jean's dad. None of those are his dad, so we'll forget that. So add option number 1, which is John Grey. Option number 2, Steve Grey. Option number 3, Mike Grey. Option number 4, Quentin Grey. Now, obviously we all know the answer is number 1. So all I do is go to that answer and click the tick. Now let's say they put Mike Grey and I want to put a response. So I just click this box here and I write a response that the students can see if they got it wrong. This is not the correct answer. There we go, very simple. Or you could write more in detail, depth about why it's not the correct answer. Now at the bottom of each question you have this. That's to allow multiple answers to the question. This is required, so it means if they have to answer and put a response, you can tick that, or they can just skip it out. I'll add another question at the bottom. Choice. So who helped train Jean? Cursor X. Magneto. So the answer is that one. Okay. Now, if you go to preview, it'll show you what it looks like. But it saves it automatically. Look here. And also if you click on theme, you can theme it. So I do different topics, different colours. So for this one I'm going to pick an octopus for no apparent reason. Now up in the top right here where the 3 dots are, lots of options. So you click on settings, it gives you lots of things. You only want people in the organisation to respond. And here you can put shuffle questions, you can email notification. So when a student's done it, it will tell you when they've done it. Also if you want to go really clever, there's branching, so it tells you if you've got all your questions, if you got the answer to that right, you go to question 3 and so on and so on. It gets very complicated. But now we've done that and it's saved, we want to put it in our OneNote. So let's go to our OneNote. Get rid of that one. I decided I want to put my quiz in there, so all I do is press insert, click on forms, and you'll find your forms on the right hand side. So click on Jean Grey, click insert. And there we go, it'll appear straight in there, so students will answer the quiz on their OneNote page and then click submit. Dead simple. So now I'll show you what it looks like when you've completed one. So I'll pick one I've already done, so I'll pick this one. Up on the top right here is called responses. So here it gives you a breakdown of all the students' answers, where they got it right, where they got it wrong. And secondly, you can review each individual student, so this is SubDev, and what his answers were, or you can do it question by question. You can also export it to Excel, so you can put it in your mark books and so on if you wish to. You can print the summary, create a summary link, or delete all the responses. And there you go, it's a very quick overview of forms.